you got yourself a TV stand from ECHOGEAR, but you want to adjust the height. Maybe you want the TV a little bit higher to fit a soundbar underneath, or maybe you want to lower the TV so it sits nicer on your piece of furniture. I'm going to show you how to do just that. First step is just removing the screws on the sides here. There's 4 of them on each bracket. Alright, once the screws are removed, if you want the TV to sit higher, you just slide the foot further down on the bracket, line up the holes here with the holes on the sides of the bracket, and put the screws back in there. If you want the TV to sit lower, you just do the opposite, move the feet upwards, and again just add the screws in here and you're good to go. So wherever you land, just make sure that both feet end up at the same height so your TV doesn't sit crooked. So that's how you adjust the height of your ECHOGEAR TV stand. If you have any other questions, just reach out to our customer care team at the number below.